Good morning, fam. It is the Star, and we are about to open up my blinds right now. I'm actually so excited. We did start getting snow yesterday around like 2 o'clock, and it was like super light snow, and we're supposed to get like 16 or something inches. And I'm like, is the snow coming today? Because like yesterday we barely got anything. So I'm really excited to see if we did get stuff. It's pretty bright in my room, which kind of means one thing only, is that we did get a lot of snow. But come spend a big snowstorm with me today. Okay, let's see. That is an icicle outside of my bedroom on my window. What? Hello? Gosh, it's just gorgeous. I made myself some matcha, and now we are going to do my skincare and kind of talk about what the plan is for today. Basically, we have to do a couple things in order for us to be able to survive the storm if our power does get shut off. One is fill up a whole bunch of water bottles just in case, so we could still flush our toilets, have drinking water, have tea. Like, I need my tea. Just in case we do lose power, we have a whole bunch of water bottles that are already filled up. Then the second thing that we usually do is check if all of our lamps and candles have batteries, and we also do have normal candles to burn as well. I'm gonna check and make sure that we have our batteries. If we don't, then there's nothing we can really do because we can't leave the house at this moment because our driveway isn't plowed quite yet. Our plow guy will probably come around, I think he said he's coming around 7. It is currently 10:30, so we have a whole snow day stuck in our property, which is a blessing, honestly. Like, we have such an amazing property. I really hope we could go sledding today. It's really the perfect conditions and just have a nice cozy snow day. Yesterday was very annoying. It's currently Monday, so Sunday, I usually post every Sunday since the beginning of the year, and this Sunday I couldn't post because CapCut was down, and that's what I edit on. And I love CapCut. Like, it has everything I need. Like, I don't need much, but I have grown to like depend on it. And I do say I'm a procrastinator. That's one of my bad habits, is procrastination. And I was finishing up my vlog. I was gonna add my sound effects and cool transitions and my music, and then CapCut isn't working. I can't access any of my templates, any of my transitions, any pro features. Bye. And none of the music that I generated. And I'm like, well, okay, I'm gonna finish my rough edits, come back to it, and hopefully it will be fixed. And it was not fixed. And TikTok's not working, which I really hope that nothing bad happens to TikTok. I do love that app, and I did grow up on the app. I do wish I had my original account, but I did delete it because I don't know why. I didn't understand that you can have 2 accounts because I made another account and then I'm like, oh wait, I have to go back and delete that one. And so now I have my account, which I've had since I think 2020. And I did used to have all of my friends blocked because I was scared of what they would think, which, yeah. I would love to do a Q&A type video where I give a little bit more information about myself so my viewers know exactly who I am, maybe why I started YouTube and all of that cool stuff. I would also think it would be super fun to do a video of when I first started YouTube. I had a different account name and different aesthetic, and I think it would be super fun to kind of look back at those videos and go back on my attempt to be a YouTuber back in, I think it was like 2016 actually.
No way!
Crazy, crazy, crazy. I could have been a YouTuber 10 years ago, though I quit, and if I do a video like that, I'll explain why I quit and all of that stuff, because it's a weird reason. Anyways, I'm just about done. I'm gonna go eat and do my makeup now, so.
Go. Are you in there, Joel?
I don't know. Does it look like I'm not?
It just looks like you're not.
I am, I swear.
Are you there?
I can't get up.
Hi guys, I am going to give you guys a little recap of what happened in the past couple of hours. First, we went sledding, which you guys already saw, but we stayed out a little bit longer, and I have 2 boxers and they love to run, so we ran up and down the driveway with them and it was super entertaining. Then we had some soup, which felt so nice after being outside for so long. It's really so cold and there is a good amount of snow on the ground, which is crazy. Like, I literally sunk in and I was not even like to the ground yet. Then we watched a little show and now we are here. I made some chocolate chip cookies. I just pulled them out of the freezer, which is like my biggest hack when I'm PMSing. I just have cookies already prepped so I can literally eat them right now and enjoy it. So this is my little cookie. I know it kind of looks burned. but I assure you it is not that. That looks like a really good cookie. Let's just say I know how to bake. I absolutely love baking. I kind of want to do like a mini series of like different baked goods I do. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. It's just baking is one of my passions. So why not share it with you guys, my little tips and tricks. I think I'm gonna go sit by the fire for a little bit and just get warm because I still feel a little bit chilled from earlier today, which is normal. I was out there for about 35 minutes and it was 10 degrees out, so of course I was gonna be chilled. Anyways, I'm gonna go sit by the fire, finish my cookie, and then I think I might do skincare just to make my little snow day super cozy and super fun. Okay fam, it is a lot later now. I am now all cozy up in bed. I have my little space heater on because it's so cold in here. The fire has been going all day, but I have closed my door throughout parts of the day because I have a crazy cat and I have a very messy room, and those two don't really go together, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I did my nighttime skincare routine, which you can actually go watch here. Highly recommend it if you're in search of a cutesy little winter nighttime routine. But for my winter snow day type video, this is gonna be it. I am so tired. I'm ready to go to bed. I still have to edit tomorrow.
Oh yes.
Though, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Go like, comment, subscribe, share, and if any of you guys are currently watching and not subscribed, girl, go subscribe, go check out my channel, like, come on. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, time for bed. Good night. I love you guys. Bye, fam. Mwah.